So Jane, research. We've talked a lot about research over the years, me and you.
Yep.
So when a business wants to find out what their customers think about their product, you coordinate the qualitative research,
Yes.
the focus groups, getting people to a venue. So if you can talk us through how a practice or a business would go about getting a focus group and what the timescales are, because that's always the problem for us is, we need enough time to get people there. So
Yes. Well, first of all, they'd need to decide what sort of people they want to hear from. So it's very important to have quite a clear specification of what kind of people you want. So for instance, you may want to speak to dog owners in one group, cat owners in another, people who have old dogs, young dogs, people who use flea treatment, worming treatment, whatever.
Yeah.
Be clear about who you want to hear from.
And we call that quoting. So find what's
Yes.
the quota? Do they have to have cats, dogs with certain disease processes or different behaviours? And that can be quite complicated.
Yes.
So in what way does that quota impact on the time to recruit?
You do need to we have specialist recruiters who we go to who are very good at finding specific people.
Sometimes needles in haystacks.
Yeah, absolutely. But they would need, 4 weeks would be
the minimum, really.
Yeah. Depending on who you need. And obviously you would have to find a viewing facility as well.
And when you say viewing facility, we use viewing facilities all the time, but for the benefit of the guys watching, talk us through why a viewing facility is worth the investment, because it absolutely is when it comes to research.
Yes. Well, it just provides a space for people to sit sort of around a coffee table with a glass mirror with filming facilities behind it and recording facilities. So it's already set up for you. You don't have to worry about taking along your own filming, or you don't have to worry about the fact that clients won't be able to see what's going on.
It makes it more professional.
It's more professional, and they provide refreshments, and they're just used to dealing with research groups, so they know how to.
And it's something that, again, in this industry, we find that people hesitate about investing in using viewing facilities or investing in qualitative research, but without taking the time to sit like we're chatting now and understand the big picture, you can't then go to the quantitative.
That's right. It's going to inform what you do next. If you're going to invest a lot of money in quantitative research, you need to know what questions to ask, and qualitative research often will give you the way forward with that.
And certainly that from our perspective, we work together on these things, is that the qualitative always throws a curveball that the client's never really thought about, and that changes the direction of the quantitative. So we would always recommend qualitative to quantitative.
Yeah.
So if somebody wanted to find out the answer to the universe and everything, we're saying for the research groups, we need a good 4-5 weeks lead time to get
to get the most out of it, because you don't want to be rushed at the end, and you want to make sure you get your quotas right.
And then following that, once the tapes have been reviewed and reports written, we would then go to quant, which in our experience now is that once you've got that, then the quant's a lot quicker.
Yes.
Because we would use an online tool to reach people for results. So from the beginning of a project through to the reporting is 8 weeks, 9 weeks, 10 weeks? Yeah.
Yes, about that, yes. Yeah.
But worthwhile?
Definitely worthwhile, I would say, yes.
Yeah. Cool. Thank you.
Okay.